This is the power button. You click on it to put on the machine. When the machine comes on, you see the home interface. In the home interface, you see the basic information, the sample ID. You can put any sample ID you want, the name of the patient, then you see the sample type. The sample type, you see different sample type: whole blood, urine, feces. If you want to run your QC, you click on it. That is, you choose whatever sample type you want to use to run the test. In the edit details, that's where you put any additional patient information that is necessary or required. Then you see the results display. Then you see the test mode. You see either quick test and the standard test. Quick test is when you time the test outside of the machine, while standard test is when you time inside the machine. So after choosing the test mode, you can click on start test. Then down, you see the slot out. This is the slot. When you click on it, it brings out the slot. Next is the ID chip. This is the ID card slot. When you put in the ID card, you click on the ID chip so that it can read the ID card. This is for printing. Next is history. This is where you get your patient's results, especially the past ones you've done. Then the shutdown, this is where you turn off the machine. So you click on it and you still power off, then you confirm. Let's run HbA1c test. The first thing we do is to get our ID chip. We insert the ID chip into the ID card holder, then we click on the ID chip for it to read. After reading, we put in our patient's information, that is the name. We choose the sample type and we input the basic information of the patient. Then we collected 10 microliter of EDTA blood and we put it into the detection buffer. We close and we rock back and forth for 1 minute. Then we collected 75 microliter of sample. We put it into the sample well of the test cartridge. Because of the time taken, our slot went inside the machine. Then we click slot out for it to come out. Then we insert our test cartridge into the slot. Then we click on standard test because we want it to incubate inside of the machine. Then we click start test. Then we wait for our results. After waiting, our result came out as 6.51%.